Hey folks, this is Shawn here, and I just want to go over something that very much confuses people, and I've seen some rather heated arguments online about it. And that is quite simply the order of operations in a mathematical equation. Now, a lot of the confusion seems to be around the fact that there are two commonly used acronyms. There's PEMDAS and there's BODMAS. And because of a misconception about how those acronyms work, people think that they contradict each other. So first you have PEMDAS. And then, of course, you have BODMAS. Now, PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. And it basically tells you the order in which different parts of a calculation should be performed, regardless of what order they're in, left to right. So parentheses is always first, and then any exponents after that. And within parentheses, of course, then the rest of the acronym would apply. And of course, then you have the other multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. BODMAS, brackets, parentheses, in mathematics, same thing. Oh, order of powers, because apparently whoever came up with that acronym thought exponents was somehow complicated. But they're the same thing either way. And this is the part where a lot of people get it mixed up. PEMDAS says multiplication, division. BODMAS says division, multiplication. And of course, addition and subtraction are in the same order. The thing is, it actually does not divide up that way. The actual division of both of these acronyms into steps is here, here, and here. This is not actually 6 separate categories, it's 4. Multiplication and division in both of these have an equal level of priority. Addition and subtraction, not that it makes much difference at that point, also have an equal level of priority. So this is why you'll see a lot of things online where you've got parentheses or brackets, you've got exponents, you've got multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, all in the same calculation. And then you have people arguing in the comments about what the correct answer is. Because so many people think that it's either multiplication first and then division, or division first and then multiplication, which again is not actually what either of these acronyms is saying. Multiplication and division are at the same level of priority, so you perform both of those in the same step, as it were, in the order they are, left to right. So hopefully that will clear up some confusion. Again, of course, if anyone does have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And I don't know why I said again, because I hadn't mentioned that until just now, but whatever. I'm not doing this again. I've already done 4 takes. So, like I said, put any questions about it in the comments below. But if you have any intention of trying to argue and say, no, it's this, that, and the other thing, and no, you're wrong, look it up first. And I don't mean on someone's blog. Pick up an actual mathematics textbook or something where you'll actually find accurate information. It's like I once read years ago, the internet is a great source of information, but it's often like sitting and listening to conversations at the barbershop. You might want the barber's opinion of Rogaine and the psychiatrist's opinion of Prozac, but you're far more likely to get the psychiatrist's opinion of Rogaine and the barber's opinion of Prozac. And that's what we're seeing a lot of online right now, in far too many areas, and even something as simple as PEMDAS or BODMAS is being argued over by people who clearly didn't actually pay attention in mathematics class at all. So, like I said, if you have something in a textbook that you can take a picture of and try and say, oh, you're wrong because of this, yeah, I'll look at it. But if you're going to just say, oh, you're wrong because I know you are, don't bother. You'll either be ignored or get a response you're not going to like. In the meantime, this is Shawn signing off, hoping that more people have a better idea of how this actually works.